Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef potato soup step by step. Brown a pound of ground beef in a heavy pot until nicely caramelized, then drain excess fat. Add a diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves and cook until softened. Stir in 4 cups of beef broth and 3 peeled, cubed potatoes. Bring to a simmer, cook until potatoes are tender, then finish with salt, pepper, and a splash of cream. Add salt and pepper while the potatoes soften to allow flavors to meld, and include aromatics like a bay leaf and a half teaspoon of dried thyme for warmth. For depth, stir in a tablespoon of tomato paste or a splash of Worcestershire sauce, which complements beef beautifully. If you prefer a creamier texture, mash a few potato chunks in the pot or stir in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream at the end, then remove the bay leaf before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps us make more easy recipes for you. Quick recommendation: life is short, treat your feet, and consider Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty as a fun kitchen companion to save your toes from cold tile. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Maintain a gentle simmer so potatoes cook through without disintegrating, and check doneness with a fork after about 15 to 20 minutes depending on potato size. If you want a thicker soup, mash roughly 1/4 of the potatoes against the side of the pot, or use an immersion blender for a few quick pulses. Stir in chopped parsley or chives just before serving, and consider a small squeeze of lemon to brighten the stew-like richness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.